China has shocked the world with its cheap technology once again. It just became the second country ever to add electromagnetic catapults to an aircraft carrier, allowing it to launch heavy jets from the sea with ease and affordability. Until now, only the US's Gerald Ford had this tech. But here's the most interesting part. China's carrier, the Fujian, cost only $6 billion. On the other hand, the Ford cost a whopping $15 billion. But this lower price tag comes with a strategic compromise. The Ford is nuclear-powered, giving it unlimited range. The Fujian is conventional and will need refueling before reaching the US. Subscribe.